Welcome back to the Spruce Stomper YouTube channel. Another adventure underway. This soon to be hooked up to electrical service. We're standing atop what is soon to be a brand new power building for some very fine folks. So join us as we move a few things along. We got another building to move, some heavy equipment, and an all-around good time. What is that?
Hungry Herman.
Hungry Harmon, did you just say?
Hungry Herman.
All right.
Battery drill won't even turn this thing.
I guess not. I guess not. That's a serious apparatus. Hungry Harmon. Oh, I see.
Yeah.
I know what I meant to say is I totally knew. If you don't know what you're doing hooking up chains, you just do it slow, and then that one, somebody will notice you don't know what you're doing, and then they'll give you a little gentle direction. I struggle with that chain every time.
Yeah, that hook's weird.
It's very counterintuitive, that safety thing. So it's a 20-foot container, 20 feet long. And then on the back, you'll see when we swing around, it's got the hydro gear on it for power, you know. So you can run your toaster and dry your clothes and watch Netflix. That'd be the new meter and whatever else magic happens in there. Something electrical oriented. We got a guy here for that today. Okay, and I will reach the other stuff from the backside. Yeah, perfect. And now we're gonna hook up to lift the old building out. Oh, there he is. Something's happening. There we go. Oh, let's deal with these cables. Yeah, there's just one ground.
Not coming through.
That worked good, eh? Spreader bar deluxe. That's one of those fancy levitating sheds now. Probably a good thing we took the tin off. What do you think, Dan? You having a good time?
Seems a little easier than I thought.
Oh, that's how everything with us goes, though. It's just well planned. Not a lot of handwork, you know. Whatever the machine can do.
I don't know where he's trying to go with this.
We're gonna put it right on the trailer and take it out of here, one piece. It's getting rehomed to a neighbor, so it doesn't end up in the garbage. Be a shame, right? Yeah.
Want me to take it over this way a bit? Are you sticking over by very much?
I'm pretty well flush.
Yeah, flush is good.
Yeah.
Enough to be able to get the straps on.
Do you pull that other pole completely out or just cut it off?
Now it seems to be a theme that whenever me and Garth get together, well, there's trees to cut down. I don't know what that is. It's the nasty old poplar tree. Busted off at the stump and hung up. Alrighty, now I'll go cut the stump off. That'll be that.
If it tips over, we're crushing it.
What?
There's a bit of a dip.
Take two.
Seems pretty steady. You may not have to do anything. Yeah, fuck, I don't know. I'd block the door from swinging. Yeah, maybe shut the door.
That's been a hectic one. It certainly was an adventure. There was a ton of action with the hydro crew. We got a couple shots of them. Nothing they do is real fast or real flashy. They had a couple bucket trucks, but yeah, we were hammering. All of a sudden they looked, they said, well, we got to be out here at noon. We're out of here. We're like, oh, okay, well, I guess we gotta put the fuel down and get that sea can in place. But we got it done. So I'm gonna strap this down. Got to take that mast out because, well, there's over height and then there's ultra over height. So we're gonna get that fixed up. It's just got a short trip down the road, cleaning up some gravel. The electrician's still working. We had a lot of folks today. I arranged a whole lot of people all in one day. Just, we all worked in concert. It was beautiful. It was beautiful. Do 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 do. Do do do. I gotta move that spreader bar, and I'm not carrying it by hand. Could tell you that for free. What's the chances that he left the keys in this thing? Pretty good. Like that. Oh yeah, there's a key in here. Do you know how to run it? Not really. There's no need to carry that kind of stuff by hand. All you gotta do is have the machine. Seems simple. Oh, that's right, I don't own the machine. I guess I'd be carrying it by hand. Alrighty, well, I was coming up a bit short on the old reach to get the mast out. I was hoping to be able to stand in the bucket and get it. I think I can, I just gotta get the bucket in the right spot. Right spot? Ugh. Let's see. A lot closer than I was. That mast is heavy, like a real heavy. There, this ought to work. Well, as much fun as this is, I'm ready to get down. Ugh, oh, it's muddy. Let's see if we can't slip this down the old hole now. Just like that. There, all right, success. I just got to do something with this. We'll strap it to the trailer, I guess, or stick it inside the building. That's even better idea. Oh, my beautiful camera, you poor thing. You're damp. I don't think the camera minds, but the Rode mic probably doesn't like it. Anyways, we're a lot more transport friendly now. Ta-da. You know, on the drive down here, I thought, oh, what is there, maybe 1 or 2 wires that cross the road? There's a wire every 10 feet. Of course, they're all way off the ground. I haven't had a single problem, but you can't stop. See, like this. Better to double check than be real disappointed. We're almost to the home stretch here. It's the telephone, the TELUS lines that are the lowest one on the bottom, the telecommunication cables. I had to pucker super hard on that one to get it to shrink small enough to fit underneath. This was all good and fun right up until this point. I thought, oh, what could be the big deal? Well, there's another. We made her in one piece. Everything else looks like one piece? I think so. no worse for wear. We got to drop this, we got to go back, get other trailer, come back, unload this. The day's never over. Should we recap? Let's recap. What did we do actually? So, look at this. See, I didn't get too much action out of the hydro, guys, but notice how one pole, much shorter than the other pole? Well, brand new pole, brand new transformer. They leave the chopped off pole. Here's where the politics comes into it of contracting. This has TELUS equipment bolted to it. They can't touch TELUS equipment. That's another guy. But we're gonna hook it up temporarily, and that'll get dealt with next summer. So that pole gets removed. So new pole, new transformer. That's what hydro is here to do. And then of course, they connect the new service to the new sea can of stuff, doing stuff. And well, you've watched the entire video, so you know the rest, what we were up to. Swinging, moving, dragging sea cans, cutting trees. It looks beautiful. It looks beautiful. And the icing on the cake is, in true expert fashion, Garth spread out all of this beautiful road crush that was here. It's gorgeous. So we finished mucking around, and then everything is now topped with this beautiful layer of gravel and is ready for people to enjoy. Because really, that's what it's all about. Got to load up. That's got to go. That's got to go.